It is day 4, I believe. If that's not the correct day, I'll put it right here. And I'm back to show you how my hair is. Usually a typical wash and go will last about 3 or 4 days in my hair before it starts getting really dry. If it's a good wash and go, some last longer and others are shorter, but this one, my hair still feels pretty soft. Since there wasn't a crunch, there still is obviously no hold, but my curls, I think they look pretty good. The front is a little messed up because when I was washing my face, I got all of this wet by scrubbing because I had to get the makeup off, and I just want to show how my hair looks all around. Here is the back. I would probably refresh it after today because there are a little bit of dry spots in the back. Usually that is my drier area, but I did go out today and this is how my hair was looking, and I do still enjoy this wash and go. I definitely do recommend trying this curl gel from Pattern. I'm very excited to try some other styling products from the Pattern brand because I really was surprised at how nice this wash and go came out. I don't know if I'm going to try any of their creams or anything for like twist outs or braid outs yet. I typically do wash and goes and not twist outs or braid outs. That's why I usually go for products that are for wash and goes because that is my typical style, so that's how I can decide how I like a product. But these curls, if you can see them, they just look so good and it still feels good. I mean, it could use a little more moisture because it has been a couple of days, but I would like to see how refreshing would go, so I might refresh. I'll see how I feel if I want to do a whole new wash and go. As I've stated before, I'm not really a fan of refreshing. Only once in a while I'll get a good outcome of refreshing, so I don't typically do that. I usually just go back and wash my hair and start over. If I do decide to refresh this tomorrow, I will give you an update how that turned out. So I do recommend this Pattern Curl Gel. I will list everything that I used down below. I hope to see you in the next video. I did enjoy this wash and go using these Pattern products. If you have a favorite Pattern product, please comment down below and let me know what it is. If it's not something I've tried already, maybe I'll try it in the next video. Hi, I'm back with my hair that's looking like a mess, but that's okay because we're going to try to refresh it with these Pattern products, and I'll let you know how it all goes. This is how it's looking after all these days. So I'll come back on here when I get back to let you know how the refresh went, and if I think it could give me a few more days, or if I don't like it, and I would just start my wash and go over. So I'm just going to separate my hair. So I will be using the Pattern Hydrating Mist because its suggested use is to spritz on to rehydrate wash and goes or use to refresh your hairstyle. So that's perfect for what I'm looking for. Let's see if it actually works the way I like it. I'm just spraying it. I can turn it on so you can see. Just spraying it on here. I don't love this spray bottle the way it's sprayed out, but it is what it is. This is a smaller size as well. I think it comes bigger than this. This is the 3-ounce size. So by itself, I don't think it's gonna do enough. Just as a refresher, I'm gonna put some of the curl gel back over it once I feel like it's wet enough. And typically at this point, I would have just did a new wash and go, but I'm leaving and I don't want my hair to look as dry as it did before I added this stuff. So this is how the back is looking. Do a smaller size first. And you could do this in smaller sections. I just don't have a lot of time for that. So I'm trying to do it in bigger sections. Yeah, like spray bottles like this make my fingers tired from all the pressing. I'd rather misting it on, like the mist that It's a continuous mist. If you really want it wetter, you're probably better off adding a little water first and then this, because I feel like I'm going to use up a lot of this. I want this curl gel. I had the small package, so I'm going to have to order more. Side. My hair is all refreshed. This is how it looks all around. I'll be back with dry hair and I'll let you know how the hair turned out. So it is now the next evening. I refreshed my hair yesterday and I just want to see how it came out. I did wear it out. I thought it didn't look too bad, so we'll see how it feels and everything. I'll take off this bonnet that I've been wearing all day, and it doesn't look so pretty like this, but let's take it down. This is one side, how it's looking. This is the other side. I feel like it's okay. If I had to go out today, I would definitely wear this out. Yesterday it was fine also, but my hair is still feeling kind of dry, and I feel like it's a little sticky after adding the hydrating mist and then more curl gel. Curls still, I feel, do look pretty good. I just have some dry ends, and you can see that it is time to wash this hair. So in this case, I would probably not refresh. I would just go straight to another wash and go. But I did want to try to refresh to let you know how everything felt. So I don't know if I showed the back, but here's the back. It just feels a little like sticky, a little sticky now. I didn't really enjoy using this because of the spray. I feel like it took forever for my hair to get wet. Maybe if I use something like the Curadew, it might help with adding this and then refreshing. Maybe that's something I'll do in the future. I do like how these curls look though. I still am a fan of this gel. Maybe just putting it on top of the hydrating mist and on top of itself after a few days is just a little too much. I'm not sure which product made my hair sticky. It is just a little sticky if I touch it too much. I just wanted to give that quick update of how my hair was looking after this refresh. And I do, as I look down in my viewfinder, I do really still like how this looks and the way these curls are shaped. Until the next wash and go video, don't forget to check my previous wash and goes right here and my other videos over here. I will see you in the next one. Bye.